Thank you. Thank you. President and Mrs. Rawlings, honorable ministers, honorable members of the Council of State, honorable members of Parliament, honorable members of the judiciary, Nananum and the people of Ghana. Me chiamo. America fo chiamo. Now you have shown me what Akwaba really means. Thank you. Thank you so much.